Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 20th November 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content here does not represent our opinions, but is a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk is encouraging users on the social media platform X to upload their medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to the AI chatbot Grok for diagnostic purposes. Musk believes that by feeding the AI with enough data, it will improve its accuracy in interpreting medical scans. While some users have reported positive experiences, others have noted inaccuracies, raising concerns among medical privacy experts about the risks of sharing sensitive health information with an AI tool. Experts like Bradley Malin from Vanderbilt University caution against the implications of such practices, emphasizing the uncertainty surrounding how Grok will handle and utilize this personal data. This situation highlights the ongoing debate about privacy and the ethical use of AI in healthcare. In the gaming world, Elon Musk has reportedly become the top-ranked player in Diablo 4 after completing the game's challenging level 150 pit in under 2 minutes. His time of 152 surpasses the previous record, showcasing his skill in the game. Musk's success is attributed to his use of the Quill Volley Spiritborn build, known for its high damage output due to a persistent bug. Blizzard Entertainment has confirmed that they will not nerf this build until the upcoming Season 7, allowing Musk to potentially improve his time further. He humorously suggested that Blizzard should award him Salesperson of the Month for his performance. If his new record is accepted, it will solidify his position as the best Diablo 4 player in the world. Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy have been appointed by President-elect Donald Trump to lead the newly formed Department of Government Efficiency, a non-governmental commission. Musk claims he can identify at least $2 trillion in savings from the federal budget, although details on how he plans to achieve this are vague. He is reportedly recruiting high IQ revolutionaries to work unpaid on this initiative. The article suggests that if Musk is serious about cutting government waste, he should focus on the defense budget, which has been criticized for inefficiency and lack of accountability. The Department of Defense has a budget exceeding $840 billion for 2024, yet it has failed independent audits for 7 consecutive years. Musk's position as CEO of SpaceX, which seeks defense contracts, presents a conflict of interest in his role. Additionally, Trump's pledge to increase military spending complicates any potential cuts Musk might propose. If Trump genuinely wants to improve government efficiency, he should ensure the DoD enhances its financial accountability. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.